There he is. He's got something in his mouth. Creepy mother. Purple. Guys, it's purple. Alright, so we're about to see a fish flop over this little flip right here, this little lip, flop flipper. I already seen one flop over, but I was way too far away when it happened, so I'm waiting for the next one. I seen another fish swim like right there, and then I just seen it get really close to the edge right there, so now I'm recording. Not even sure if I'm supposed to be over here, but it doesn't say no trespassing. All it says is danger, keep out. So much wildlife out here. Just on the other side of this, so much more. If I camped out there. I was thinking like right there, put a little thing that spins right there and collect linear energy. What are we doing? All this free energy we have and we waste it with low combustion and gas, and it's so stupid, dude. All this natural energy that we don't use. Tick. Nothing to fall off the ledge for. Little bitch. I think I just seen the fin. There it is. It's resisting trying to go over. But that's what freedom is, and it doesn't realize it. Whoa, that's scary, dude. I wonder how many fish flop over this an hour. I wonder if any fish die from this because of that crazy whirlpool right there. It's like a mosh pit with water instead, water molecules. Kind of makes you nauseous a little bit. All right, I'm done waiting. Oh, there's a big one. A little flip flopper over there. Keep missing all the good splashes. There's a lot of fish in this little thing. They get caught in here. Ooh, there's another big one. There it is, there it is. Flop. Oh, yeah. Right when I was about to leave too. But there was one that swam that way as that one was flip-flopping over. And then there was a bigger one over there. You could catch so much fish just in this little thing, but it'd be cheating, wouldn't it? Maybe. Like, what's going on? There it is. Oh, he swam away. He almost didn't. You almost made it to freedom, you idiot. Let it flip you over. Flip you out. There he is. Oh. All right, I got to head back and get work done. Catch you guys on the flip side. There's a really huge turtle down here. Well, I mean, a medium huge. Its head is huge. Hopefully I don't scare it away. You see it? gonna get closer so you guys can get a better view. All right. And it didn't do anything to it. We're literally right on this turtle. If you could tell me what kind of turtle this is a snapping turtle, an alligator turtle, you fucking let me know. It's got moss on its back and a long tail. It looks like it's a feisty motherfucker. Hello, buddy. Whoa, it's letting me rub it. Hey, buddy. Why don't you care? Right, guys. We got a little frog here. Can you see it? Little baby frog right there, mate. What's up, dude? He's like, get away from me. I'm just trying to look like dirt. Get stepped on. Don't get stepped on, dude. All right, Snapchat, I love you guys, and I assume if you're watching my Snapchat, you're already on my Facebook. If you're not, it doesn't even matter. But I posted a video about how I'm walking on this side of the dangerous, and here we are. We're on the motherfucking, it's not even a dam. I think it's called like a water break. But this is the Blue River, and it's so beautiful. It goes all the way to the Missouri River, where they have this one dance festival once a year. It's like in the middle of the Midwest. It's right off the Missouri River, and this leads to it. And people from all over, like the biggest names in EDM come. But look how beautiful that is. Just look at it. I'm just saying, just look at it. Look at the water flow. It's probably flowing faster than that. Maybe at the same speed, I don't know. The same speed that I'm moving at, that is. I hope to find a bunch of more wildlife out here. It's so beautiful. Look at them. Look at this. This is America. Oh. Look how fast this thing's going. It was just bolting a second ago. There he goes. You guys hear that? There's two owls communicating to each other. I'm going to try to find them. And I thought I wasn't gonna have a snap for you guys today. A good one, I meant. Oh, yeah, why is he so bumpy? Why is he so wiggly, dude? I thought that was just like a weird piece of tar. This thing's gonna make me freak out, dude. I do not like snakes. Hey, just let me touch it. You good, dude? Whoa! Look at him go, dude. I think he was all crumpled up to be as a disguise. Because he stopped being crumpled up. That was fun. This beautiful blue butterfly just let me capture it on camera with my badass camera. A mother flippin' dragonfly just landed on my shoulder, and instead of reacting calmly and capturing the beautiful moment, I flipped the fuck out. You ever seen a dragonfly close up right on your shoulder? It's scary. Like right in front of your skinned face. It was like Alien versus Predator or something like that. It's funny though, because I have a dragon on this shoulder, so I should have been used to it. But yeah, what I'm thinking about doing with the YouTube, putting them on YouTube, is compiling all the clips from a week that were from Snapchat and making a vlog about it. Editing them real nicely, even adding clips that weren't on the Snapchat feed, and some transition clips that I've got with my badass camera, some extra stuff, cool stuff. There's the water break. That motherfucker way high as fuck. It's causing a little bit of rapids. Splash, splash, whiplash. Taking a bath. Alright. Let's check these rapids out. A little bit high up. Whoa, the motion freaking me out. Pay attention to where I'm walking, Andrew. Fucking trees are just soaking. Oi! What is that? This mythical beast right here. I captured it right in the wild. Marsha! Marsha? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, Marsha? There's like 1,000 birds right here. More like 20 or 50. Look at them. Just all flying around. What you guys doing? I wonder if they do that for fun or they're scavenging. For bugs or something. I don't know. But yeah, dude, I'm on top of this river right now. On a bridge. It's so beautiful. Majestic, dude. Oh, yeah. The whole entire dang thing. You can get closer. Oh, that pixelating it. Why'd you fly away? There's a woodchuck. The woodchuck could chuck wood. So you know that bluebird I've been trying to catch out in the wild? Well, here's a dead one in the city, right in the middle. Yo, Zach, if you're watching this, your cat's in my car. I don't know how this happened.